The primary function of a chiller plant is to remove heat from a closed space within a building. In this video, we demonstrate the process through a truck experiment for easy understanding. A chiller plant comprises 5 key components: the chiller, cooling tower, air handling unit, AHU, condenser water pump, and chilled water pump. Chilled water originating from the chiller's evaporator travels through the supply line to the AHU. The AHU then absorbs all the heat present in the room via the return duct. This heat is transferred to the chilled water coming from the evaporator. Subsequently, the AHU extracts cooling from the chilled water and disperses it back into the room through the supply duct, continuously regulating this cycle. The heat gathered by the AHU is conveyed back to the evaporator via the chilled water return line. Inside the evaporator, the refrigerant absorbs the heat from the chilled water and imparts its cooling effect. The chilled water, now cold, cycles back to the AHU, perpetuating this process. The refrigerant, laden with heat from the chilled water, moves to the condenser. Here, it relinquishes all its heat to the condenser water, absorbs the resultant cold, and returns to the evaporator through the expansion valve. The expansion valve enhances the refrigerant's cooling capacity. The refrigerant, now cooler, imparts this chill to the chilled water. Meanwhile, the condenser water, having absorbed the heat from the refrigerant, is transported to the cooling tower. The heat is then expelled into the atmosphere via the tower's fan. Subsequently, the condenser water, now cooler from the cooling tower, flows back to the condenser. This cycle is relentless, illustrating how a chiller plant extracts heat from a closed space in a building and discharges it into the environment. We hope this video has been informative and aids in understanding the operational principles of a chiller plant.